Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through the transcription test. First, we'll go over Part A, which contains the MCQs, and then we'll move on to Part B. Let's get started. For question 1, the correct answer is A. For question 2, the correct answer is A. For question 3, the correct answer is B. For question 4, the correct answers are B and C. For question 5, the correct answer is C. For question 6, the correct answer is B. For question 7, the correct answer is C. For question 8, the correct answer is B. For question 9, the correct answer is B. For question 10, the correct answers are A, B, C, and D. That's it for Part A. Now, let's move on to Part B. I've already completed the entire transcript for Part B, and I'll provide it in an MS Word docx file. You can find the file in the video description or in the pinned comment. Simply download the file, copy the transcript, paste it into the transcription box, and then submit your transcription application. It's that simple. If you still don't understand the guidelines or you're not sure how everything works, just leave a comment below. I'll make another video explaining all the guidelines in detail, including when and how to use each rule correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.